Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the microscopic world that makes up everything around us. Today, let's explore the amazing world of nucleotides. These fascinating molecules are the unsung heroes of biology. These tiny molecules are like the bricks and mortar of life itself. Just as bricks are essential for constructing buildings, nucleotides are crucial for building the very foundation of life. They are essential for building DNA, the blueprint of our genes. DNA holds the instructions for everything our bodies need to grow, develop, and function. You know, the stuff that makes you, you. But that's not all. Nucleotides are involved in so many other vital processes. Nucleotides are also crucial for making ATP, our body's primary energy currency. ATP is what powers every single cell in our body. Think of ATP as the spark that ignites our cells. It's like the fuel that keeps our engines running smoothly. Without it, we wouldn't be able to move, think, or even breathe. Every action, from a simple breath to a complex thought, relies on ATP. From our hair color to our energy levels, nucleotides play a fundamental role in keeping us alive and kicking. They are involved in cell signaling, metabolism, and even the repair of our DNA. So next time you think about the miracle of life, remember these tiny powerhouses that make it all possible. They are the true building blocks of life, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Our bodies are constantly buzzing with activity, creating new cells and using energy at an astonishing rate. Every second, countless processes are happening inside us, from the beating of our hearts to the firing of neurons in our brains. It's a symphony of life, orchestrated by the tiniest components of our cells. Did you know that an average person generates around 330 billion new cells every single day? That's right, our bodies are in a constant state of renewal, replacing old cells with new ones to keep us functioning at our best. That's a lot of cells. Imagine the complexity and precision required for this massive cellular turnover. Each new cell must be an exact replica of its predecessor, carrying the same genetic information. And guess what these cells need to grow and function properly? You got it. Nucleotides. These essential molecules are the building blocks of DNA and RNA, the blueprints of life. They provide the building blocks for DNA replication, ensuring that each new cell receives a complete copy of our genetic code. Without nucleotides, our cells wouldn't be able to divide and multiply, and life as we know it wouldn't be possible. But it's not just about creating new cells. Nucleotides play a crucial role in many other cellular processes, including energy production, cell signaling, and metabolism. Our bodies also need a constant supply of energy to keep everything running smoothly. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our cells are working tirelessly to produce the energy we need to live. From breathing to digesting food, every single process requires energy in the form of ATP. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the energy currency of our cells, fueling everything we do. And yes, you guessed it again, ATP production relies heavily on nucleotides. These versatile molecules are truly the unsung heroes of our cellular machinery, powering the processes that keep us alive and thriving. Now, let's dive into some exciting research about nucleotides. A well-designed study, known as a randomized, double-blind crossover study, investigated the effects of nucleotide supplementation on various health markers. This type of study is considered the gold standard in scientific research. Why? Because it minimizes bias and allows researchers to accurately compare the effects of a supplement to a placebo. In this study, participants were randomly assigned to receive either a nucleotide supplement or a placebo. After a certain period, the groups switched treatments, allowing researchers to compare the effects within the same individuals. This approach provides strong evidence for the effects of nucleotides on the body. Ever heard of cortisol? It's a hormone that plays a role in our stress response. While some cortisol is essential, chronically high levels can wreak havoc on our health. Think increased blood sugar, higher risk of heart disease, and even a greater risk of premature death. Not good. Here's the good news. The nucleotide study showed promising results in reducing cortisol levels. Within just 72 hours of taking nucleotide supplements, participants experienced a significant drop in their cortisol levels. That's a pretty quick turnaround. This finding suggests that nucleotides may help our bodies better manage stress and protect us from the harmful effects of chronically elevated cortisol. Section 5. Cooling down the flames of inflammation. Inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism against injury and infection. However, chronic, low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to our health, contributing to various diseases. The good news is that nucleotides might be able to help. The study we discussed earlier also found that nucleotide supplementation led to a reduction in myeloperoxidase, an enzyme associated with inflammation. By lowering myeloperoxidase levels, nucleotides may help dampen excessive inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases linked to inflammation. Section 6. Shielding muscles from damage. Let's talk about muscles. Whether you're an athlete or just trying to stay active, protecting your muscles from damage is essential. Intense exercise can take a toll on our muscles, leading to soreness and damage. The study on nucleotides also examined their impact on muscle health by measuring creatine kinase levels. Creatine kinase is an enzyme released when muscle damage occurs. High levels of creatine kinase in the blood indicate muscle injury. Interestingly, the study found that participants who took nucleotide supplements had lower creatine kinase levels after intense exercise compared to the placebo group. This suggests that nucleotides may offer a protective effect on muscle tissue, reducing damage caused by strenuous activity. Section 7. Unleashing peak strength. Here's another exciting finding from the nucleotide study. Participants who took nucleotide supplements demonstrated increased peak force or strength during exercise. They were able to push their limits and outperform those who didn't take the supplements, but it gets even better. This boost in peak force persisted for 48 hours after taking the nucleotides. That means the benefits of increased strength extended beyond the workout itself. These findings highlight the potential of nucleotides to enhance athletic performance and improve overall muscle function. Section 8. Muscle, the key to longevity. While not directly related to the nucleotide study, it's worth noting that maintaining muscle mass is incredibly important for overall health and longevity. Research has shown a strong correlation between higher muscle mass and a reduced risk of mortality. In fact, one study found that individuals with greater muscle mass had an 18% lower risk of death from any cause. While more research is needed to establish a direct link between nucleotide supplementation and increased lifespan, maintaining muscle health is undoubtedly crucial for a long and healthy life. Section 9. Fueling your body with nucleotides. In this section, we will explore the importance of nucleotides in our diet and how they can significantly impact our overall health and well-being. So, how can you incorporate these powerful nucleotides into your diet? It's simpler than you might think. By making a few mindful choices, you can ensure that your body gets the nucleotides it needs to function optimally. Well, certain foods like fish, mushrooms, and other nutrient-dense options are excellent sources of nucleotides. Including these in your meals can provide a natural boost. Yeast is another fantastic source. It's often used in baking and brewing, but it can also be added to various dishes to enhance their nutritional profile. However, if you're looking for a convenient and effective way to boost your nucleotide intake, supplementation might be worth considering. Supplements can provide a concentrated dose of nucleotides, ensuring you get the necessary amount without having to drastically change your diet. The nucleotide supplement featured in the research, for example, is made with natural ingredients and is free of artificial additives. This makes it a safe and reliable option for those looking to enhance their health. It comes in various delicious flavors, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you prefer fruity, tangy, or even savory, there's likely a flavor that will suit your taste. Additionally, this supplement boasts a high biological value, meaning your body can easily absorb and utilize its nutrients. This ensures that you get the maximum benefit from each dose. It even includes added B vitamins for an extra energy boost. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy production and overall vitality, making the supplement even more beneficial. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and ensure that the supplement is right for you.